Hey again, welcome back to my channel for the fourth video of my Halloween series. This makeup look is inspired by the new horror movie The Nun, which I'm too scared you guys see. I extended the tip of my nose with some scar wax and attached it to the tip of my nose, sticking it down with some Rosade. I applied water-based paint all over my face, then cream-based paint over the top to make it more opaque. Setting cream makeup with a powder is a must to hold it all in place so it doesn't move or come off. I apply a black gel liner to my eyelids and smudge it all around my eyes, then add some eyeshadow to set it and to make it dark. It should look messy with no clean lines. Apply a black eyeshadow where you would contour your cheekbone, drawing a line in and down towards the chin. Create another line in the same way underneath the contour to create a part of the clothing that hugs the nun's face. Add some more black eyeshadow around near the hairline to frame the face. Don't forget to apply eyeliner to your waterline. Using a thin brush, I apply black eyeshadow, creating vein-like patterns in random areas of the face. I didn't have a black lipstick, so I applied a blue one and then went over it with a black eyeshadow in a messy way. Define the nose more, contouring along the bridge and around the tip and the nostrils. To top this look off, I put a white shirt over my head and tied the arms around the back of my head and put a black sheet over the top to look like a nun's headwear, and completed the look with sharp teeth I made out of polymorph plastic. If you want to see how I made the teeth, click on the link in the description box below. Hope you liked it, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya, bye!